Hey guys, Ron Lyons here, Tactical Redneck, of course, and as you can probably tell, I'm out in my barn today. It's a little bit chilly outside. I've got an awful lot of chores and an awful lot of things to do, a lot of feeding and things like that. And I thought, what better opportunity to test out these gloves. These are made by the Boss Glove Company. They are the CR3. They have cut resistance, puncture resistance. I believe they use a rating scale for the cut and puncture resistance, and this is a cut level A3, which is exactly right in the middle of the chart, all the way from light resistance to high resistance. These are right kind of in the middle. And now I got the large. I usually like to go a little bit smaller on gloves than what I actually need. I usually like to get like a medium so that it fits really well. And I've not tried these on yet, but I'm assuming that they're going to be just a little bit looser than the way I normally like them. They're very, very lightweight. They seem to be pretty well made. Now, these are kind of economy minded, and we love bringing you things that are economical because, I mean, let's face it, right now with the economy, although I think it's improving, we're not all there. And you know what? If you can do something better and do it for less, save money doing it, then I'd say you're on top of the stack, right? So I'm going to go ahead and open these up. We're going to put them through their paces today as I go around the ranch and do all my chores and stuff like that. And then at the end, we'll kind of come back and see how they did. Hopefully they hold up. Hopefully they do well, because these things are only about $10. Too good to be true? We're about to find out. All right, guys, so my final thoughts on the Boss CR3 level 3 cut resistant and puncture resistant gloves. They're good. They're real good. I really should have got one size smaller because I like them to be, you know, like a second skin when I wear gloves and stuff. But honestly, I wore these. I did all kinds of things today. I didn't have anybody attack me with a knife or try to stab me with an ice pick, so there was no cut or puncture testing on these, but they held up very, very well. They were really good whenever it came time to use the phone and do stuff like that. They allow you to still use your screens and things like that. And quite honestly, I used them for so long today that I totally forgot I had them on. That's a good sign. So you can get these at Tractor Supply. They're about $10 and absolutely worth it. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next video.